Hey, with Eldora's Chess, and today I have a checkmate in 7 moves. So let's analyze the position first. We see that both kings are very exposed and white has a material advantage. And in this position, black has to checkmate in 7 moves, or it is a draw or the position is lost. As you can see, you have only 2 pieces to checkmate because the third one can't participate. There's not enough time, and you have to checkmate somewhere on the dark squares because are the squares that you control with your dark square bishop and your queen. That work very well together when the king is a corner and you have white pieces on the white squares. So these pieces are in certain position helping white. So if you want to pause the video, there's a lot of checkmates here. White can defend so many ways. The longest way is 7 moves. That's the most resilient, the most vigorous of white. This position you can really look for a half hour and calculate every variation, because this checkmate pattern is insane, and it is like a tic-tac-toe, or it's like it's some fire battle with the king. So first move is obvious. You check the king. Has 2 possible ways. One is here, then it's checkmate, simple. But what if he defends with the bishop? Okay, then we have another problem. How are we going to checkmate the king? Only move that is going for a checkmate is this. And now let's say white goes here again. We go with the queen here. Only move that's quite funny because it gives a check to the king, but it's checkmate for black. So if you're gonna check, the only way to stop it is block. Now you can check with the queen or the bishop. So think which one of them would be the best. If you chose with the bishop, you're lost. It's better for white, or it's kind of equal. After this move, after the amazing move king f1, there's no continuation of the checkmate. So your checkmate is lost. And small differences can make the biggest differences in chess. You have to take with the queen. And now, again, there are a couple of options. Let's say the normal looking move, king h1, then we just go with the same checkmate pattern again, with the check and there's checkmate. So he's going to go king h2. And now now again, if you do this, then it's a draw again, because white can block with the bishop and you with check, and there's not a really continuation. So the move you have to find in this position, believe it or believe it not, is his bishop to e5. And let's say king goes here, give a checkmate, and here we're gonna give a check here, force to go here, then we're gonna give a check here, force to go here, and then we have our checkmate in 7. So this is the best checkmate if white defends the best way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a beautiful exercise, and feel free to analyze with Stockfish, feel free to analyze with Komodo, feel free to just analyze on your own, because it is a checkmate in 7, and believe it or not, it is really a checkmate in 7. And 7 is the biggest checkmate I have done in here, because there's so many ways it could go wrong, and so many other ways white also could go in a faster checkmate. So thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time.